guys, welcome back to my channel. This is vlog 007. Yeah, the 7th vlog of 45 vlog series. 7th vlog of 45 vlog series, which I'm going to be doing till 2022 start. So today what I'm going to be doing is, today also I'm going to be making a crochet item. Today what I'm going to make is a crochet scrunchie. So I'll show you all one scrunchie which I made before. So I have from both these sizes. This is like max and this is like medium. I didn't make the tiny like little size because I tried that one, but it looks like too small. This is what it's gonna look like. Super cute, right? You all can purchase this now from my crafts page or design page. I haven't posted any yet, but you all can just DM me and I'll do it and send it to you. Can do any customized order as well. This is what it looks like. Which one would you all prefer? I personally like this one, but many prefer this, so I guess I'll make something like this. But I like this. This is what these two looks good when worn together as well. Yeah. Gives kinda Patrick vibes from SpongeBob. I don't know why. But anyhow, let's go to the video. So what we'll be needing is yarn, a crochet needle, and a hair tie. So I'm going to be doing a black and white one, like not just one color, two colors. So let's start. So I'm gonna be starting with black or white. I'll start from black. How to start is, we are going to put the slip knot through this. We bend like this. I don't like to leave much of the edge, so keep like this. And pull out the working yarn out of that. Not just the working yarn, sorry, I'm sorry. This isn't coming out. Like, do it like a normal what do you call it? Knot, I could say. Yarn over and pull out the end and the working yarn both out. Why isn't this working? Just bend like this as we are going to do a slip knot. Do like this and pull both these out, and then pull this to make the knot tight. And from this, now we can start crocheting the scrunchie. We are going to pick, I can't remember the amount. I think it's 23. Yeah, we'll be doing 23 double crochets in a row now. If it doesn't fit, I'll be doing more. If it fits before as well, I'm going to be reducing the count. This is how we're gonna do. Oh, I did a tutorial on how to do half double crochet and double crochet as well. If this looks confusing, you all can check it out. I'll add the link to that in the top right corner. And what do you call? Yeah, you all can check that out. I'll add the video link description. I'll add the link to that video down below in the description as well. Anyhow, how you all are going to do is yarn over, hold this like this, then it will be easier. Put through this, yarn over, pull out, pull out. That is one. Okay. 2, 3. Now do 20 more. Keep the count. Even if you lose the count, that will be fine, because all you have to do is do double crochets until it fits this. Okay, all around. I'll go to the end and show you all the rest. Actually, I did, and turned out I needed 36 double crochets to complete this, to make it not look like there are spaces in between. So as this row is done, I'm gonna join this with a slip knot, and now the first row is done. The second row will be, as we are going to do in this way, we are going to do it with single crochets like this. Oh, but this row we are going to do from white. I totally forgot that. Okay, so I'm going to remove the slip knot first and cut this off. Where's my scissors? Okay, cutting this off now. Taking the white yarn and doing the slip knot with that. And to make it tighter, I'm gonna hold these two together, the cut off edges of black and white, and yarn over and pull both those out. And now the white yarn is done. Now we are going to do single crochets. Like for the first double crochet, we are going to do two single crochets. For the next one, we are going to be doing 3. Then again 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. We are going to continue like that. Okay, hope you all understood. Chain 1 first. I mean, like, it's not necessary for this, but I prefer to do so. Put this, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull out, done. Next row. Oh, not next one, for this, the second one, yarn over. Then for the next one we have to do 3. This one is there in my, what do you call, basic stitches tutorial, like the crochet for beginners tutorial. You all can check that out. Oh, this kind of seems too thin. I'm going to do half double crochets. I guess that will be preferable. This is 3 double crochet rows. This is 3 rows of I have no clue. I think the first, I can't remember, first row is double crochets, second row is half double crochets, third row is single crochets, I think. Anyhow, let's do half double crochets for this. So chain first, yarn over, put through this, yarn over, pull out through all 3. Even this tutorial for this is there in the how to do double crochet and half double crochet video, which is vlog 5, I think. Yeah, again I did 2 for that one. Now for the next one we had to do 3. 1, 2, 3. Again next one, 2. And we can continue like that till the end. For this one, 3, right? Yeah. Super easy. I'll finish this row and show you. Now this row is done. It doesn't look that good yet. I'm gonna cut off this from here as well, and again join black yarn for the final row, because usually we do only 3 rows for crochet scrunchies. Join from a slip knot and yarn over and pull out both black and white yarns and pull. Then this will be tightened up with my yarn fell. And now we can start the final row. We are going to do that also from half double crochet. So do a chain to start off with, yarn over 1 chain. Now yarn over, put through the next chain, yarn over, pull out. In this row also 2 3 2 3 method we are going. And now the 2 is done, the 3 in next one. And after we are done with this row, that means we are done what do you call, done making the scrunchie as well. And I'll show the rest. I'll show how to finish it after I come to the end of this row. Okay, I'm pretty sure it will look good, because not just like plain colors as it is black and white, also it will definitely look way more cool. Pretty I guess, I don't know, but I don't use that. But anyhow, I'll end this row and show you. Remember, it's 2 3 2 3. Some do 3 5 3 5 as well, but that will be like too much. You can try it out as well. If you prefer that, you all can use that method. So even the third row have come to an end. Now this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna finish it by doing the 3 double crochets in the last one, because usually as I started from 2, it has to be 3 unless I started from an odd number, because I did 36 no at first. Okay, so we'll put the slip knot and cut this off and yarn over, knot, done. Now these 3 parts are remaining, as you can see, not 3, there's 4, so I'm gonna yarn them over around here and cut them off, cut the edges if it's like too long. No, I don't think it's going to be too long. Anyhow, that's like the end of a scrunchie. Wait. This seems long. I'm gonna cut it off. There's 3 more. just check correctly before yarning over and pulling these things out, because you might pull out the wrong yarns as well. And yeah, we are done with that. So this is how it looks like at the end. I'll show the white edges, then black from out. It looks super cute. Not super, just cute. I don't know. Anyhow, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the end of vlog 007. If you'll ever try something like this out, as I always say, don't forget to tag me in Instagram when you all are posting it, and don't forget to follow me, my personal Instagram account, my business page, and my craft page. All the accounts are in Instagram, and all links to all three accounts are down there in the description. And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you want to see more creative content like this, subscribe to my channel as well. And so that's it for today's video. I hope to see you all tomorrow with vlog 008 with something new creative. So stay safe, take care, bye bye.